Hello friends, today I will show you how to create a wolf game. After logging in the BGA Golf app, you will see the Create Game button on the top right side. Click on it. After that, you will see the game form. In the game form, first select the event. Let's select the event and then select the course under which you want to play this game. Let's select Kingwood Island. Now we need to enter the game name. Let's add Wolf Test. After that, you need to select the game type. Let's select Wolf. As a game type, you can go with handicap or without handicap. Let's go with without handicap for now. Let's select the start date of the game and time to date, OK. Now below you will see the SCODE pool price, junk pool price, points for challenge, points for unchallenged, and max wolf points here. You can change the value as you need. After that, let's select the game thumbnail. Let's click on Save Game. Now the game is successfully created. Once the game is created, you can start add scoring. There is no additional configuration for this game. So let's go to the Add Score page. Here you need to select the foursome under which you need to add score. Let's select foursome 2. Now click on Setting icon here. It will open the default settings for the foursome. You can override any value here. For this foursome, junk pools, SCODE pool points, points for challenged per hole, points for unchallenged per hole, max wolf points, who will be the scorekeeper, and the captain rotation order. In the captain rotation order, it shows who will be the first captain. So you can select the order of the captains. On the first hole, DOS 1 will be the captain. On the second hole, DOS 4 will be the captain. On the third hole, DOS 2 will be the captain. On the fourth hole, DOS 3 will be the captain. And on the fifth hole, DOS 1 will be the captain again. This rotation will work till the 16th hole. On the 17th and 18th holes, the player who has the least points will become the captain. OK, so you can change the rotation. Let's move DOS 3 here. Let's move DOS 2. OK, now DOS 2 is the first captain. Let's click on Done. So foursome override setting is completed. Now we can start add score. Let's go to hole 1. Now on each hole, the captain needs to decide whether he wants to go wolf or select a partner. So the captain has a choice. As per our captain rotation selection, DOS 2 is the captain. You can see the C and the W mark. C indicates that this player is captain on this hole. W means he is selected as a wolf. Let's open the box. You can see here wolf is selected by default. We can turn off the wolf. Once you turn off the wolf, you will have the option to select a partner. Select DOS 1 as a partner. You can see on the top side, DOS 1, where you will see the P mark, which means this player is now partnered with the captain. OK, now once the partner has been selected, this hole is converted to 2 versus 2. So the other team can challenge the captain's team. Let's open the Team 4 box. You will see the option to challenge. Here we can now challenge. So the hole is challenged, and the point for this hole will become 2 points or 3 points, whichever is configured during the foursome override. OK, so let's add score here. Let's close it, 4, 5, 3, and 6. Let's hit Save. So you can see the captain's team is winning because the captain's team has the lowest score. If you open the box, you will see the 2 points added to the captain's team, 0 points for the other team. DOS2 team, there is 2 points. Also, if you open the leaderboard, you will also see the same thing here, the score and the points. Let's go to the next hole. In the next hole, DOS1 becomes the captain. Now he wants to go wolf. If he selects himself as a wolf, the hole will become 6 points. If he becomes wolf again the next time, it will double to 12 points. Then 18 points. Okay, so let's add score. Let's add 4, 5 here. So this hole is basically 1 versus 3. The wolf player against 3 players. Let's add 4, 6, 7. So let's hit save. As you can see, the wolf player is losing. So the rest of the 3 will get 6 points. Okay, 6 points, 6 points, and 6 points. Okay, if you open the scoring bar, the D1 player, the wolf player, he gets 0 points here. If you open the leaderboard, you will see the same. So I have added score for all the holes. Let's save. Okay, now let's finish the foursome 2. Now you will be redirected to the results page. Now let's go to foursome 2 result. Okay, here you will see the green box and the red box. On the first hole, the green box indicates that the D1 player is captain on hole 1 and he chose the D2 player as a partner. The partner shows as a red box. Now when the player is wolfing, it will show W in the box. In the second hole, the partner is wolfing, so it's showing the red box and the W in the box. Okay, below you will see the results declaration, foursome winner and the junk winner. Now if you click on the Summary button, you will see the player-wise points, rank, and the amount they earned. Also, you will see the settlement below. Now if you go to Ledger in the foursome 2, you will see all the players of the foursome. Let's go to DOS1 player and hit the View button. You will see that DOS1 player needs to pay $16 to DOS4 player, $8 to DOS2, and $9 to DOS3. Okay, so let's click on the Pay Now button. You will see all the individual entries here. Now to finish the payment, click on the Pay with PayPal button below. It will open the PayPal page. Let's log in with DOS1 player. Let's enter the password. Let's click on Login. Okay, now here you will see the PayPal confirmation page. Just review and complete the order. Okay, the payment is successfully done. If you go back to the ledger, the status will say as paid. Okay, so this is it for the Wolf game. Thank you for watching.